Hi everyone, Ken Shreve here with a look at what's coming up this week in terms of economic data and earnings reports. It's a fairly quiet week of economic data, but earnings season really kicks into gear in the coming week with some high-profile earnings reports, so let's get right to it. Regarding the economy, on Monday, watch for March retail sales data. In February, sales increased 1.1%. Excluding autos, sales increased 0.9%. I wouldn't be surprised to see a strong number in light of generally solid same-store sales data recently from many of the nation's retailers. On Tuesday, March housing starts and building permit data will be released. In February, housing starts fell to 698,000 from an upwardly revised 706,000 in January. Permits rose to 717,000 in February from 682,000 in January. Finally, on Thursday, watch for the latest reading on weekly jobless claims. Last week, claims rose unexpectedly to 380,000 on the heels of weaker than expected job growth in March. Existing home sales will also be released Thursday, along with the latest reading from the Philly Fed. Manufacturing activity in the Philadelphia region accelerated in March to 12.5 from 10.2 in February. Meanwhile, it's a who's who of potentially market-moving earnings reports in the coming week. On Tuesday, I'm expecting another strong quarter from Intuitive Surgical. The maker of the Da Vinci robotic surgical system is expected to earn $3.14 a share, up 21% from a year ago, with sales up 20% to $467.7 million. The company has a solid track record of reporting better than expected growth, and I'm not expecting anything different this time around. The stock continues to hold near highs, despite recent selling in the broad market. On Wednesday, another NASDAQ 100 leader, Qualcomm, will report results. The consensus estimate calls for a profit of 96 cents a share, up 12% from a year ago, with sales up 25% to $4.8 billion. And finally, two more financials report on Thursday, Bank of America and Morgan Stanley. On Friday, JP Morgan reported solid top-line growth, but investors sold the stock anyway. That's what I'll be watching in the coming week.